transmissions, large and contracted and restoration, next level racing, star demo,
Hey.
CMW fiberglass pool renovation. And it's
Look out, what's up with it? Nothing much. Oh, God damn. Okay, it's alright, y'all. Let me see, there nobody barbecue over here. Y'all ain't barbecue? Damn. Oh, okay, I can't drink this. Damn, okay. Let me see something. I've been needing to take this backpack off all night anyway. Stace, ain't nobody barbecue? Nothing much. Ain't nobody barbecue today?
No. I ain't had my boy didn't show up there for me. This is Pablo.
Oh, they didn't show up?
He did crawfish.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm finna drive down there.
All right then.
Okay. Dang. Well, they got dusty. Ooh-wee. Let's see, bring this hat down. See if I can find me a spot. Sell me a hat. Let me see where he say. Oh yeah, this. I'm finna. Yeah, let me park right here first. Yeah, I got the hats right here. You gotta get the light on, man. Hey, all y'all from my Instagram, go to YouTube, Lookout Racing. That's where it's going down at. Look out. Somebody probably done bought it. What color was it? Yeah, they just bought it. What about
Don't you like me?
oh, it's still there. That's a vase. Oh, you wear them too? Okay, big. 15 for that. The hat's 20. Appreciate it, man. Let me get you a change. God, I need to get some change, man. I gotta get my change. Oh, something died over here. Here you go. That's my card, yeah. Appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Ready, thank you. Okay. Oh, that's my Gatorade. I mean, Powerade. They ain't give me nothing. Oh, there go the law. I could block the law now. Oh, the stone vet already gone. Okay, I got me a parking spot. Got me a spot.
goddamn side for some odds. Look. I take odds on this side.
You want some odds?
I got all money on this side right here. I got all money. I got all money right here.
You know him.
I got 500 more, Mississippi. I got 500 more, Mississippi. Right here. Whoa.
Right lane for the win.
Hold you, motherfucker. Hey, Kelly going back home, baby. Cut him up.
Mississippi in the house. Mississippi won. Look out.
Man.
Mississippi won. Stop fucking with Mississippi. Look out. Stop fucking with Mississippi.
I thought they ain't had shit over there. They got some bad motherfuckers over there. I thought California had better cars. Man, you be. God damn. Yeah.